Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can ship with eBay standard envelope. Now, this eBay standard envelope is pretty simple. It's just a normal envelope with a label of eBay stuck into it. Now, there is some things that you need to take in considerations because this label has to be printed. And to print it, you need a specific tool for it, which are the label printer, or these are the pictures of them. So you have to own one of these, so it can be making your life much easier. So you just have to print this out and stick it to the envelope. Now, what are the benefit of it? You can save up to 70% versus USPS first class mail service. You have integrated tracking and easy print using eBay labels. Shipping protection plans up to $20 on single items and up to $50 on combined orders. In case of loss or damage in transit, you can drop your shipment off at USPS locations, USPS Blue Box collection bins, or in your mailbox. How it works? Pretty simple. List your item, create the listing for your chosen category and select eBay standard envelope in your shipping section. Ship your item. Print your label from eBay labels and attach it to your envelope. Then ship via USPS. Tracking is automatically integrated. Then third option, which is the last, is monitor your shipment. Track the progress of your shipment throughout my eBay or the seller hub. And that's pretty much it. There's other information that you have here about the cost per weight and much more that you can check it by yourself. That depends on your business model. So thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.